What's up guys, welcome back. So I went down the rabbit hole of Naruto characters with impressive beards. So this is Sasuke, adult, kind of old man nearly, maybe, what, 50s? With a big bushy beard. Chuck Norris of the Uchiha clan. Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. Kind of three-quarter pose, so we can kind of see one ear and not the other. So, but it's like it's nearly square on. So it's pretty close. Let's see. And yeah. So center point of my page about there. We'll come up over to the right. Start with his top eyelid. Diagonal. Across fairly flat eyes now. And then it kind of spikes down. And then around underneath here. I'll just thicken it up a bit on top. Right, kind of like that. And then his red half circle iris line there. And then we'll go pupil. Very angry looking pupil under here, and sharing again. So you could do it red if you don't want to do the tomes. That would work as well. But we'll just add little lines like so, just to make it a bit more impressive. And then eyebrow, frowning pretty heavy, close to his eye, up this way. You want it to be thicker, sort of down at the front here. And thinner at the back. We got like eyelid lines, just there. And he is an older gentleman, so maybe some sort of wrinkles around his eyes here. Do 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 do. Okay, so his other eye, same sort of shape, diagonal that way, across the top, to a little spike, and then down there. Right, and then bottom eyelid just underneath, that way. And then his iris, heavy sort of frown, so it's like a half circle just underneath the eyelid line, and then the pupil similar, except color black, very small. And then we'll put some Sharingan details in there. And then heavy frowning eyebrow again. We'll go right here. Back that way. Goes underneath his hair on this side. And then we'll thicken up the front. Like so. And we'll just give him some like wrinkles and stuff on his nose. So he's got like some wrinkles on his nose and stuff as well. We'll get like the bridge of his nose in, I think. Sort of coming down here. Okay, sort of, and it curves around that way, and then you see some of the nostril on that side as well. And we go sort of bridge of his nose there, and he's got some wrinkles on his nose there. And they just sort of roughly draw all this stuff in. Maybe we'll draw in the nostril on that side. That's my daughter squeaking. Just kind of nearly a realistic sort of Sasuke. Right, so his mouth is pretty flat and the beard is just on top. So we'll give him a sort of flat, sort of angry mouth. Sorry, I'd say my head was in the shot there. His bottom lip. Right, let's beard him up. So coming around the top lip, you just want to start adding all this spiky stuff. Right, and then going down this one, it goes up his cheek. And we have the hair spikes that come down this side, covers a bit of it. So like there's a hair spike down there, but we'll just get the rest of the beard that hangs down this way. Then it like goes underneath his hair on this side then. And then we'll do some like textures and stuff on it. It's got like a cheekbone, I think, like a high sort of cheekbone there. Maybe there as well. Okay, so his hair spikes then. So we'll go like he's got one coming this way. Then down onto this beard. So these are the sort of long ones that he has on the side of his head. nose. We can see an ear there, but we'll just go across his head. All these fringe lines just coming across his nose and his brow and everything. And this comes down across his head then. Mm-hmm. 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 Beard keeps going up this side. It's all dark in there. Right, so he's all these hair spikes then that come around, just all around his head, basically. And it comes like down behind his ear here, so we'll just put a bit of his ear in like that, and then it joins the hair spikes that are down behind his ear here. So this all starts to go like around that way, and it connects up to the front. Da-da-dum-dum-dum. Okay. Probably a bit tricky actually to get all that sort of in behind the ear, but we got there. He looks serious. So he's got like a fur coat on, right? And a kind of kimono / gi sort of thing. So it comes around his head here in like a V sort of shape like that. And then you can see the back of his neck there. And then we got like some neck muscles. And his collarbones. Chest muscle. Right, so then the back of this collar sort of bumps here. Traditional sort of Japanese clothing. It's all just dark in there. Now if you want, you could just do normal shoulders, but I'll do the fur because it's kind of cool that he's got like a big fur thing on. So So just sort of wrapping around his chest here and the underside part. That way. And we like all textures and stuff all here. And then it goes out back of his head, like up this side. It seems to go this way then. You're just doing kind of all these spiky sort of shapes. Kind of like shark fins or something coming out of the water. And then there's all these textures just coming around. I just always think of Kaido from One Piece when I'm drawing a fur collar. Don't know why. It's all textured up and stuff like that. Right, so his neck goes this way and then his shoulder would sort of, gotta imagine this because it's not in the picture, so I'd say his shoulder would come out sort of here, like about, yeah, I'd say like, you reckon there? Down. Yeah, that looks about right. And then the other side might be a bit narrower than this, just because it's probably slightly turned away. That looks not bad. It looks serious. So yeah, it'd be cool to see like Sasuke and Naruto becoming kind of Jiraiya sort of type characters. I wonder if they do that. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.